Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I've got these 4 seasons large tags to show you. So this is actually a freebie that I'm giving away in my Facebook group for the September monthly challenge. And I thought that since we're coming into spring down here in the southern hemisphere and you're going into autumn up in the northern hemisphere, I thought that it might be nice to do a project that covers all 4 seasons. So I'm giving this away for free, so pop over to my Facebook group and grab this freebie. And I thought that today I just would show you what I intend to do with this freebie, and I'm going to make a large tag flip. So it's just to give you an idea of what you could possibly do, but you can come up with any idea that you like. You're only limited by your imagination and you can do whatever you like with these tags. So what I'll do is I'll go away and I'll cut everything out and I'll come back and get crafting. Okay, so I've cut everything out and I've inked all of the edges, and I'll just mention here too that I've printed everything on 200 GSM digital paper. I'll put a link to the paper that I use down below in the description, and then I've also flipped them over and printed one of the tea-dyed papers on the back, and they're available in my Etsy store, so I'll link those down in the description below as well. Okay, so I've also got here a split ring because I'm planning to make I said tag flip before, so I'm planning to make a flip book with this, so because I want to use quite a bit of three-dimensional things on the fronts of these tags, so I thought it would just be best to use one of these rings so that it didn't matter how fat they were. And then I've also got some I don't know what these are called. You put them around the little hole that you punch in the tag to hole reinforcement. I just picked these up at my local thrift store in the craft section. All right, so I'm going to get started. Sit back, grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and follow along. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made this 4 Seasons large tag flip for the September monthly challenge that's happening in my Facebook group. If you would like to join in the challenge, make sure you check the description for the link where you can come and join us, download this freebie and a stack of other freebies. Also check the description for a link to my Etsy store where you can find lots of printables for your crafting projects. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.